Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add outline shape in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add outline to shape. Now firstly insert the shape. Now to insert shape. Now going to the shape option. Now select from custom shape. Now choose shape. Now draw a shape. Now going to the move tool and going to the color shape. Now click from double click. Now choose from color. Now click OK. Now add the outline. Now going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from blending option. Now select from stroke. Now click from tick mark. I can see stroke from in the setting and size the stroke. Now choose from color. Now choose from blue color, green color. Now click OK, then again click OK. That it. Now I can see add shape outline in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like